I'm Stephanie Brown. I'm a project manager with Weathertech Distribution Company in Birmingham, Alabama, and we are currently on SX.e, and we're in the middle of an upgrade to get on-prem web UI. We are a carrier heating and air conditioning distribution company, business to business only. We provide all the equipment, parts, everything for heating and air conditioning dealers. Phocas has changed my role as a project manager. It's allowed me better insight into our product movement and also our customer activity. Is helping me to better understand how the different departments and divisions use our system. And so it's giving me better insight since I'm not usually in the day-to-day involvement of how our company works. It's helping me learn how we do things. Sales definitely uses Phocas. Our management team uses Phocas. So it really helps us keep track of what's selling, what's not selling, what's working, what's not working. Receivables and purchasing also, so they all can know what we need to buy, what should we be expecting in, what we need to sell, what's moving well. Phocas gave us a quicker insight, a more concise view into product activity, customer activity, sales activity, and it allows us to more easily see how these areas are working. Used to be really complex, and it's now a whole lot easier. The product tracking, the sales tracking, all of that's much easier to see. Aging, keeping up with our AR aging, that's a whole lot easier to follow and keep track of thanks to Phocas now as well. I'm gonna give you a little play on words there, but using Phocas makes me feel more focused. And I bet that that's how you came up with the name of your company, because it's clever, but it does. It makes us feel more focused. We really are better focused on how our business is running and just how well we're doing.